I am building a boat. The idea is to create a frame with sticks and then attach our tarp so the whole thing can float.
Not feeling super confident in the boat build.
If we can get down to fish without having to tromp through a whole swamp, it's worth the risk. Time for the first sea trial of my beautiful ship.
Here he goes.
Chris! Da-da-da-da-da.
And this was pretty ironic, considering the offer I was about to bring them.
It's day 50. Let's see how they're doing.
Hey!
Bro, you guys have a village now.